This is rapid fire for a general contractor thinking about the things they need to do in terms of their insurance.
Right. Number one is make sure that your policy covers the things you do. Whether you're talking to a broker or you're dealing with the insurance company directly, you should have a written email, a list somewhere that says, this is what we do, this is what we might do, this is the types of homes we work on, make sure my policy covers it. And sometimes what you'll do is you'll get an offer for a way cheaper policy, and you have to ask the question, does this policy still cover the things that I do? There's multifamily exclusions, right? Maybe you build single family houses, but if you build an apartment building, you don't have insurance for that.
So it's not just have the paper. So it's ask the question. It's have a paper trail that shows you asked the question. And then it's when you're comparing policies, have a paper trail showing that you double checked that they still were covering you properly for the paper trail for the policy that you double checked earlier. That it's a lot of a burden to make sure you have the right insurance.
Yeah, and maybe you should call a lawyer that can help you walk through that process.
Sure.
And we've seen these claims. We've seen these claims when there's no insurance coverage. I mean, we could do a whole separate podcast about what we do if there's no insurance coverage, even though you thought there was going to be insurance coverage.
And it's brutal because if you think about a lot of these contractors, they start out probably as a smaller outfit, maybe even a single person that's doing, handiwork, and then they grow a business. And what they started doing and what they are doing are two different things now. And the insurance is still lingering over that they're paying from back who they were, not who they are now.
And they're thinking about paying for the cheapest policy, right? A lot of times you're like, oh, this insurance is so expensive. Give me the cheapest policy. Well, make sure that those exclusions are not excluding your business.
Right.